Beelicious Pro 95 kPa, powerful precision vacuum sealer, the ultimate 10-in-1 sealing solution for every kitchen in today's fast-paced world. Food preservation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or preserving seasonal produce, a high-performance vacuum sealer can be a game-changer. Enter the Beelicious Pro 95 kPa vacuum sealer, a versatile, feature-rich machine that brings professional-grade food sealing technology to your kitchen. Unmatched 10-in-1 versatility. The Beelicious Pro is engineered for precision and adaptability. With 10 different modes, it accommodates every type of food, whether dry, moist, or extra moist, while offering customizable vacuum pressure with normal and gentle settings. For delicate items or custom control, the pulse function gives you hands-on precision, and the optional double heat seal ensures extra security for long-term storage. Handle ease for effortless operation. No more struggling with stubborn lids or flimsy closures. The patented handle ease design allows you to seal with one hand, thanks to its user-friendly locking mechanism. It's a true plug-and-play experience that enhances ease of use while ensuring a reliable vacuum seal every time. Superior suction power. With 95 kPa double pump powered by a robust 125W motor, this vacuum sealer delivers 95 kPa of suction power, creating an airtight seal in just 8 to 18 seconds, which is 50% faster than many other vacuum sealers. The upgraded silicone gasket ensures a long-lasting seal without the need for frequent replacements, adding durability and convenience to its powerful performance. Double seal, double freshness. One of the standout features is the double heat sealing system. Equipped with a 6mm widened heating strip and 4-layer heating wire, it provides an ultra-tight secure seal that keeps food fresh up to 8 times longer than traditional storage methods. Say goodbye to freezer burn and hello to optimal freshness. User-centric. Design enhancements. This machine isn't just powerful, it's thoughtfully designed for everyday use. Features include built-in bag roll storage and cutter for easy customization of bag sizes. A countdown display that keeps you informed of the sealing process in real time. A removable drip tray for quick and easy cleaning. A stainless steel surface that's sleek, modern, and easy to maintain. Certified safety and extended warranty. Peace of mind comes standard. The Beelicious Pro is ETL certified, ensuring compliance with North American safety standards. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support, offering solutions within 2 working days, because your satisfaction matters.